Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the dummy iPhone 12 mini, the fake iPhone 12 mini 5.4 inches screen size display. I got yesterday this one. This is in white color, as you can see. Looks nice. Stainless steel seems, but it's not a genuine one. And the SIM card tray on the left side, volume up and down, and silent. Looks is not genuine, it's not like the actual one to use. And then here we got power button, and it's not turning on because it's dummy, and USB port, Apple logo. As you can see, this is same dual camera with flash, and I will show you the real iPhone 12 mini on a picture. You can see here. You can see I show you the real iPhone 12 mini is similar. And here I will try to show you other sides. You see this side as well. The button. Taking out. It's very nice. I like the white color. It looks very nice. Then I'm waiting to get the new actual iPhone 12 mini. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Take care. Bye.